Ubuntu 20.04 is the upcoming major LTS release from Canonical. Ubuntu 2020 brings some major changes to the system, which include the redefined lock screen, GNOME 3.36, new wallpapers, new kernel 5.4, and many other features. Hey, what's up everybody, this is KSK Ryle. In this video, I will show you how to upgrade to the latest Ubuntu 20.04 Focal Fossa from Ubuntu 18.04 on 19.10. By the time of recording this video, Ubuntu 20.04 is in beta, which means it's not yet quite stable, and I don't recommend installing on any production machines. But if you can't resist yourself from trying out the latest Ubuntu release, then you can follow this video. Anyway, as you can see, I'm currently running Ubuntu 19.10 on my computer PC, which is not an LTS release. If you're coming from 18.04 or 19.10, then this method works flawlessly. First and foremost, before upgrading or installing Ubuntu 20.04, make sure to back up your home folder to any cloud server just to be on a safer side. It's always recommended if something goes wrong while installing, you will be able to retrieve your data. So please back up your important documents, pictures, and videos. Once it's done, now open a Launchpad and search for Update Manager. The Update Manager will fetch for updates if it finds anything. When you see any updates, go ahead and update it. As you can see, in my case, it is showing some updates. Let me go ahead and proceed to update my system. Once it's done updating, go ahead and restart your computer. After rebooting, again open the software updater. This time your computer should say the system is up to date. Now click on the settings button next to it. Then it will take you to the updates tab section. At the bottom of the section, you have to set the Ubuntu version as a long-term support. If you're coming from 18.04 LTS, then this option is enabled by default. Right now, in my case, I have to manually choose to set the LTS release and then finish my authentication. Basically, we are telling the Ubuntu Software Manager that if any LTS release is available, they will send a notification. Now go ahead and close this dialog box, then click on the reload button to see any available LTS releases. As you can see, it still says the system is up to date and not showing any updates regarding Ubuntu 20.04. This is expected. When the stable release rolls out, then it will show the updates over here. Anyway, now open terminal and type this command. Basically, we are forcing the update manager with -d option to look for any LTS releases which are not yet available to the public. In a few minutes, your computer will find the Ubuntu 20.04 LTS update. Go ahead, click on upgrade. And as you can see, it says the new Ubuntu release is in the development process. It also says not to install on any production machines. So pay close attention to these notes and read them. Anyway, in my case, this machine which I'm using is for testing purposes only. So I'm going to click on the upgrade option. Sit back and relax, the process will take some time depending on the speed of your internet connection. As you can see, a dialog box has appeared saying what are the things are going to be upgraded. In my case, around 1300 packages are going to be upgraded and 120 new packages will be installed. You can also see the detailed information about the packages that are going to be upgraded. Some of the packages like Python 2 will be removed and many other packages like glibc, Samba 4 are going to be upgraded. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and click on the start upgrade option. Now your lock screen will be disabled and will start downloading all of the updates. This process may take some time depending on your internet connection, so sit back and relax and don't interrupt anything. Alright, once everything is done, you can see the obsolete packages that are going to be removed. The installer may ask to keep or remove the outdated packages. In this case, I will choose to remove. Then restart the system. And that's pretty much it. This is how you upgrade to Ubuntu 20.04 from Ubuntu 18.04 or 19.10. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button down there and don't forget to subscribe this channel and consider hitting the bell icon to get notified for more videos. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. Peace.
can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right.